Hello YouTube, I got something to show you how I heat my house. A nice little dent in my garage just from backing into the four-wheeler. Anyway, here is my AquaTherm outside. Actually, it's an inside wood boiler. It's an unsheltered model. You can get them sheltered and unsheltered. I decided to go with the unsheltered and stick it into my garage here, our shop. This is 100 or so feet from the house, and safer that way. I guess I can, if this thing burns down, it burns down, but anyway, I hate to have that happen, but everything is up to code on it. Right here is the door for it, and there's a draft motor in front. There's controls over here, just on, off pump, on, off blowers. Blowers come on at about 160 degrees, and then they shut off at about 175 degrees. That's how it works. Anyway, down there is an ash drawer, and there is a crank down there. There's an auger that augers the ashes out. Very convenient. Really like that. Right here is a hood scoop with a fan on it. Goes out, blows out the side of my house, or the, I should say, shop. And there is the double-walled insulated smokestack for it. Expansion tank. This is a closed system. There's a Takeo air scoop on it. Goes over here to a heat exchanger that I've put on the front of my Modine heater. Very simple. All I have to do is shut the gas off on it, and whenever I need heat, it will take and turn the fan on, and then when it reaches a certain temp, the desired temp, it shuts off. Very simple. Didn't really have to do much to it. I still can run the gas if I want to. No big deal. There's the piping. I just kicked on. I had just opened the door, so it's definitely cool here. It's a warm 26 degrees right now. Here's some of the wiring. The relief valves, it's all safety. A couple of Takeo pumps on here. A bunch of valves, all that kind of stuff. Here's another draft motor for the back. So it definitely does force a lot of air into this thing. Therefore, it does burn very, very clean once it starts burning. But anyway, that's kind of the gist of this setup here. There's two circuits. One goes to my home. The other one is for the shop, the Modine heater I just showed you. Anyway, I'll show you outside here. Let me shut the door. There's my skid steer, my load of wood that I have. I also use a pallet forks sitting over here to, there's my ash can, to pick up this half cord container I have. I have some wheels on it. Here is my house I pulled over here. I knocked the front out of it for wood. I just felt it worked really nice for doing this. It is a 12 by 16, I believe, and it holds about 10 and a half cords filled up. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it during the summer, but I guess start filling wood back up. But all I did here with this is just built this 4x4x4. I should get it treated. It looks like the lumber is getting a little tough here, so I should probably coat it with something. Anyway, here is a junction box. I used to have this boiler sitting outside in another building, but my wife kind of put a stop to that. I'll have to get these buried underground sometime, probably next summer. But back up to my home. Anyway, here's another project. It's for my trailer. I found some ash from a sawmill close by here, and I've got a 6x9 trailer. I'm going to be putting a ash floor in. The old floor was the good old arsenic treated stuff that lasted quite a long time, but well, Can't get that stuff anymore. Have to go with the stuff that only lasts about 5 years. So I decided on the ash. That should last for quite almost my lifetime, I would say. So anyway, into my attached garage, and I'll show you one of my heat exchangers I got. For that, I got that for a couple $100 from a local heating AC and plumber in my local town, and he made up the plenum and the ductwork for it. I just put it in myself. Most of the work I did myself. I used a lot of 1-inch copper, and a lot of it was that orange stuff is that PEX, where it's PEX aluminum and PEX on the inside, and it's supposed to be able to hold the oxygen in. But anyway, this is pretty much it. There is another heat exchanger like that's on that Modine heater out in my garage down in my basement. I don't need to show you that. Pretty much figure that out. Real simple, real easy. All you have to do is just grab a regular thermostat and then just have it turn the fan on and off. Same thing in the house. All I had to do is add another thermostat just like the one I had. Move the degrees 2 degrees higher than the furnace kick in, and all I did was I just used the furnace kick in to turn the fan on. That's all you have to do. Very simple, very easy. It's really a no-brainer. The temperature on the water stays at about 175 degrees at the max. It kicks in at 160. The draft motors do. This pretty much in my garage, I just try to keep that at about 60. Right now it's inside at 63 because it is nice and warm outside. That 26 degrees is actually pretty warm for here. So anyway, we will talk to you later. Thank you very much, YouTube. Bye.